This is an excerpt of a conversation between J. Craig Venter and Emil Jacobs, brought to you by the Chemical Heritage Foundation's annual T.T. Chow Symposium.
Maybe if I gave some numbers, it would help put it in context. So we have largely a corn-based economy, aside from the oil-based economy. But when you look at how much oil you get per acre per year for corn, it's only 18 gallons. And so if you're trying to replace transportation fuels in the U.S. using corn oil, it would take a facility 3 times the size of the U.S. to do that. If we're going to try and do it with algae, and the numbers that we're trying for are in the 10 to 20,000 gallon an equivalent acre scale, it takes something the size of New Jersey, or what I've argued it could be a great use for Nevada or Arizona.
I bet they don't think that.
Better for California.
Yeah. So it's a totally different scale that we're talking about here. And so the best productive plant for oil on the planet right now is oil palm. And it produces around 800 gallons an acre a year. Algae you can go get out of the ocean, produce 1,000 to 2,000 gallons an acre a year now. But it costs a lot more to build a facility to grow the algae than it does just planting some seeds and letting them grow right now. So we have to get well beyond what any plant system does. But the other side of this, the other part of the equation, I've said that, fuel equals food equals water. Part of our alliance deal is SGI can pursue these same technologies in the food space. When you look at replacing oil palm plantations with algae that can already do a couple thousand gallons an acre a year, and all the rainforest that's being cleared right now to plant more oil palm plantations, a bigger contributor, I think the second largest contributor of CO2 to the atmosphere is land clearing right now to plant more plantations, more, in the US, more land to grow feed to feed cattle to feed us. And so if we shrink and change agriculture at the same time, we can change this equation dramatically on both sides.